What if I told you that 3 specific A skills could multiply your income by 2026? We're breaking down 9 game-changing abilities that successful creators are already monetizing. Prompt engineering isn't just typing, it's psychology. Learning to communicate precise visual intent to A tools separates amateurs from professionals, earning 5K callers, $15K monthly. Master specificity, style, lighting, composition, mood. This skill alone unlocks premium client work and passive income through digital asset sales. Top earners train A to replicate signature styles consistently. Whether it's a unique aesthetic or brand voice, this technical skill commands premium rates. Clients pay 3x more for consistent, recognizable output. Combined with personal branding to build your unique IR direction, the real money flows to creators blending E with human refinement, retouching, conceptualization, strategic direction, composition, editing, and narrative design. This hybrid workflow positions you as a premium creative director, not just an EI operator. Technical skills mean nothing without monetization. Master, selling digital products, licensing art, offering prompt design services, building courses, creating Patreon communities. 2026 richest A creators aren't the best artists, they're the best business strategists, leveraging these skills across multiple revenue streams. Ready to become an A creative powerhouse? Subscribe for weekly prompting guides and strategy breakdowns. Drop a comment which skill excites you most.